I'm not in the workshop, and that's because today I'm going to be renovating this downstairs toilet. I'm going to be completely gutting this out. It's a small room, 1.2 meters square. Take out all the tiling, the sink, the toilet, fit new tiles, paint the room, a vanity unit, new plumbing, new toilet, new sink. Up again, and even worse this time. You gotta laugh sometimes. Don't know if you can tell what's wrong here. Yeah. Right, so the plumbing's done. I've sealed the skirting and stuff. That bit does need paint again. It is now time to put the units in and then plumb the toilet. I don't think I'm going to have enough space to have the tripod set up while I do it. Right, I'm completely done. And here we go, guys. Transformation of that toilet. I am actually very happy with how this has come out. My back is in pain, but it's been worth it. I'll show you, I'll zoom out a bit on the camera, just so you can see it a bit easier. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I might do a follow-up video. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.